Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna head out down the road and we're gonna go do some fishing. It's just been like a little bit off and on rain, but so far it's just a sprinkle. And I've got a rain jacket, so I'm not really scared of the rain. It's not like I'm a witch and I'm gonna melt the rain. We did a little scout run a few days ago on my little walk, and we found a new fishing location, so we're gonna try it out before we leave the area. At this point, I might head out of North Vancouver here in a few days. If that's true, then, well, let's go out with a bang. Maybe we'll catch a big fish. All right, guys, let's go do some fishing. Okay, so I think I've got everything to spend most of the day out on the river. And the river isn't too high, so that's pretty nice. Okay, let's go fishing. It's actually kind of nice to finally get a fish on the hook and a couple nibbles here and there. Now I just got to remember to set the hook nice and good so that we can actually keep it and reel it in. But yeah, there's just tons of fish here. Like even right here, you can see them. There's one there, like 3 right there, 4 right there. Yeah. Just gotta try and get out there and then swing back in here and try and catch one. Man, in this point of time, I think I'm just a sucker for punishment. It was alright. The only way it would have been better is catching a bunch of fish, you know? Yeah, we're gonna call it for the day. It's starting to get late. By the time I get to the van, it's gonna start to get dark. Yeah, we'll slowly make our way back up the trail. See you guys back at the van. Back at the van we are. Making a cup of coffee, got the batteries charging up, got the generator running. Got the GoPro charging, got my phones charging, everything's dead. We're parked under the bridge, so it's nice to have the generator safe and dry. Yeah, we're gonna pull out the laptop and start doing a little bit of video editing, get this video edited. I mean, I can't complain. It's pretty well been a good day. It hasn't been raining a heck of a lot. I'm not soaking wet. Well, I'm gonna enjoy my cup of coffee. I'm gonna start video editing. I'm gonna eat dinner pretty soon. Alright guys, we'll see you guys on the next episode. Don't forget to hit the like on the video, the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace.